Hey everybody, it's Brent, Central Arkansas. I'm going to do the other 2 pots of potatoes today. You might have seen the video. I think I probably will upload that today, make it public tomorrow, and then I'll do these the next day. So yeah, these are all 3 of my container potatoes that I grew, and you may have noticed that some of them were higher, and in the last video that some of it was quite a bit higher than they are now, and it was luscious and everything was going really great. What happened was I trimmed them back, and I did that because I'm doing an experiment on propagating potatoes a different way with stem cuttings. And so to do that, of course, I had to chop them back and do a whole lot of stuff. But hopefully someday I can bring you the stem cuttings video of how that all turned out. So anyway, we're here to do the other 2 potato containers of potatoes. I expect it to be kind of like the last one, maybe a touch more in one of them. I had a little bit of growth, but we'll see. So let me sit and we'll get started. Here we are. I've got the 2 caged containers of potatoes. We're going to get to that. My camera is on a monopod and we have a little bit of wind, so you might see a little bit of swaying going on. Sorry about that. And the wind isn't that strong, so I hope there's no wind noise. If there is, I'll probably put an apology in the video. Well, I'll go ahead and apologize. So anyway, let me take one of these off, and we'll get started with the other. And the first thing we need to do is take the cage off, and this time I'm going to try to take these off as one here. And let me pause the video and come back. I gotta put my gloves on. This is really wet. It's gonna make my hands nasty. Alright, we're back, and I've got my nice gloves on. Love these things. These are Atlas, and I've had these for a few years now. I love it. Not this particular one, but I've been using these for a few years now, and they're awesome. Okay, so let's get after it and see what we got. Seed potato. And all this is rice hulls. This may have some peat. I used peat this winter, a peat and aged rice hulls mix, and then in it are also parboiled rice hulls, and that behaves kind of like a perlite, makes it airy and light. So this isn't garden soil. Very good stuff. It won't compact. It holds moisture very well, and it's really good stuff to grow in. And this is hydroponics. I don't say it a whole lot lately because a lot of people have a certain view of what is hydroponic and what's not. And really, for people that have those doubts, all I'll say is I encourage you to go look up hydroponic medium and hydroponic growing systems. There's all kinds. There's water culture, like cracky, and deep water culture, which is aerated. Oh, I got some falling off here. There's wicking is actually a hydroponic method. Then you got NFT and other forms of hydroponics. Anyway, there's a few of them out there. Flood and drain, that sort of thing. But there's a lot of different kinds. And basically, for me, anytime you're growing in an inert medium or basically water, you're basically growing in hydroponics, especially if it's a what they used to call solution water culture. Solution water culture is basically everything is in the water. All the nutrients a plant's needs are in the water. And where they stick their roots can be in a medium or simply just in water. And so any system that works that way is hydroponic. Now, what will really blow your mind is if you have plants growing in a medium and you drip water down into it and it goes straight onto the ground, that's actually hydroponic too. It's called flow to waste or drain to waste. And anyway, hydroponics are robust, and I think it's gaining a lot of popularity. A lot of people doing a lot of stuff at home with either hydroponics or aquaponics. So anyway, let's carry these over and to the deck where we're going to clean them off, and then we'll do another bucket and yeah, wrap up the video. Alright, we're back. You can see here that the wheelbarrow is pretty much empty, and that's because there's a whole lot in here. It would make it a lot harder to find the potatoes if I dump this on top of all that. So anyway, this one is probably going to be, oh, is that right on top? That's a weird looking thing, whatever it was. Okay, yeah, so this one is, I don't know what it's going to be like. I don't know why I'm jabbering on about it. So let's just get after it. Why am I guessing? Because I don't know. We'll see. Oh man, these are so much fun. They really are. Let me pull the green. Oh, that was fun. All the potatoes that fell when I did that. Oh, there's some little bitty ones here. Yeah, this would have made a tremendous amount of the potatoes if I'd not trimmed them back. Tremendous amount, I can tell. Good, some better size to them and everything. So anyway, seed potato. How about that? You fell on me. My monopod, we're going to keep recording. Then we'll sink this in the ground a little better. That's what we call live action. Reality TV. Oh me. Go with it. Go with it. So yeah, we're going to Mississippi. My mom lives in Pascagoula, and my son is a second lieutenant in the Air Force. He's stationed at Biloxi now. He's going to school there. So we're going to go down there. We leave in a couple days, and we're going to visit both of them, my mom and my kiddo and his wife. His name is Donovan, and his wife's name is Katie. They might not like me telling you that, but I don't think it'll hurt anything. But I'm really proud of him, and gonna really enjoy seeing him, and seeing Mom will be good too. Seed potato. Some more little ones. In fact, every bit of them, all three containers are little, as you've seen. Seed potato skin rather. So yeah, it's about an 8-hour drive from here to the coast. Keesler Air Force Base is in Biloxi. Lives, like I said, Pascagoula. I think I said that. That's where I was born. Pascagoula, Mississippi. And then right after that, my parents moved me to the Dallas-Fort Worth area, where I spent most of my life, in the Dallas-Fort Worth suburbs. We did move other places, New York, New Jersey, New Hampshire, but mostly in Texas, in the suburbs of Dallas. And then I lived there, parents divorced, and I joined the military, and then went all over. So anyway, let's go rinse these potatoes off and see what we got out of both of these containers. I'll bring you back. I have decided to upload this video at the same time that I upload the first one. Now, the first one was taken the same time I did the carrot reveal, and this video is a few days later. Anyway, let's get to the real reveal, and that is watching the potatoes clean up. This is so satisfying. I'm weird. I don't know why, but it is. It's really cool to me, watching these things. There's the other two pots combined. Put my hand in there for reference. A lot of little ones. Brent, you guys. We'll see you later. Did you know you can subscribe to me? Check it out. Click right here on the subscribe button. See that? It's got a little check next to it. If you click on the little bell to the right of it, it'll bring up a little notification that says send me all notifications for the channel every time I make a video. Click save. You'll get an email notification that I have made a new video. This is for those who don't know. Thanks for watching. You guys take care.